Only if.
The cow like 2 miles away.
Not hitting shit because you just have a dinky iron sight.
You're just sitting there for like 1 round. Oh, I gotta toggle it up a little bit, slide it up a little bit.
That.
Fuck. Oh man, I fucking winged him. He's pissed. He's got one arm. Like one arm Willie comes up after a while. Like, here he is. You just give up. Like you realize you're just pissed through ammo for no reason.
That's why you just gotta use like knives or something. You just aim for the head because you don't gotta worry about running out of ammo. Hell,
But then you're up close.
Yeah, I know.
You wanna like French kiss a fucking zombie?
If she's hot.
Yeah. That's how I want it. Yeah. Going tongue to tonsil with a reanimated corpse.
I wanna be at home watching.
I mean, she was about a 6.5 out of 10 if you look past all the decomposition.
That's true. That's true.
Ignore the part where her face is halfway sliding off.
Oh, that's right, putting your Ashton's voice. He's all the way up here.
I would throw you out into that storm.
I was wondering where you were. I'm like, I can't hear Ashton's mouth. I wonder if he went home.
I wanna go home and watch the news.
No, we established the retard corner and then like we all just hunkered down.
We all
Now,
did.
like, we're suddenly like gaining people.
Dude, I went on a
I'm just
mission.
going to use a little.
I was gonna say, I went on a mission and I got her a Snickers. A whole mission to the front. I got her a Snickers.
I know customers are if they want to.
I mean, if you're scheduled to leave like an hour ago.
Oh, Nathan's saying something.
Yeah, but again, he hasn't announced it like we can fucking. He'd probably tell us, hey, you guys gotta go back to work, and then we'd all be like,
That's the end of it.
There was a split
that's
chance.
the good thing though. That
There
means
was a
just
split
stand around
second.
and do fuck all.
There was a split second where he was like, you team members had like animals or kids at home that you need to go take care of.
Well, I mean, I still live with my
Yeah, 'cause
parents, so
Nathan
they can take care of the animals.
So Ethan, how's the lot looking? Is more on here? Is more here? Oh, why did you call off or?
Are you going home?
How do you have today off? Today's Saturday. I thought he gets Mondays and Tuesdays off.
Yeah, he worked last Tuesday.
Oh. I bet you he's just sitting at home fucking laughing his ass off. Fuck
Alright,
you guys,
alright.
we're gonna go on that shit.
I'm gonna see if I can make the trash can. Kobe
There's a trash can right there?
went down just like his helicopter. Goddamn.
It's not even turned. You know,
To be honest, I knew I wasn't gonna hit it. I just wanted to really make a really bad Kobe joke.
and you scroll down, you see this.
Wait, what? What?
Okay, that's my uncle. You know when something's bad when you see him post something with those emojis?
Yeah.
And then you scroll down and see that. Alright, let's see what it is. Oh, my mom's calling me. This should be fun.
I got.
He's in an outhouse during this? Can you imagine, dude? At some point during extreme weather, someone's been calling a porta john.
Oh God.
Just letting one out. And they are just so screwed. Because if they get picked up at all, they're covered in everything.
No, imagine telling.
Oh, I love this weather update by Google. 74 in Mountain West Township. You're gonna love this part. Rain. No shit.
Just imagine being someone telling a kid to pull your finger while this is all happening.
Yeah, because he's gonna do it, then he's gonna look out in the distance and see someone get their house and their whole livelihood taken out. He's gonna go, oh, shit. Because next time you see him, if you crack your knuckles, the kid's gonna fucking dive under the couch.
That's what I missed out on this morning.
Wait, what?
Who the hell's Chesty? I'm assuming it's that guy.
Yeah.
What the hell did you do? No, I don't know.
It's okay. Wait, no. Yeah, this is what I missed out on because I was too busy throwing up to go to my PT meeting.
Why were you throwing up?
I don't know. Oh.
What do you mean you don't know?
I probably ate something wrong last night. Probably them cheddar jalapeno chips.
Those don't just make a homie puke, dude.
I don't know. That's the only thing I ate last night.
Dude, you got like 22 more minutes.
Until what?
Then we have to go back to work.
Unless they say they gotta push it back to like 8 o'clock.
They won't.
Fucking 8:30 maybe.
That fucking thing just hooks. Just
Full on.
back over here. God damn it.
You thought I was done with you, but you were
Don't
wrong.
call it come back. Just rip the credit union in front of the store.
Pulled a 90-degree turn.
Fucking bangs at Yui.
Wait,
It's
no.
illegal because we're on the interstate. It was just like,
No, just turns around, destroys the gas station. You just hear the choir to Gangster's Paradise.
Like the Coast Guard is no longer a branch of the military now.
What?
I honestly
What
thought
are
that
they
was.
part of now?
I think they're just Homeland Security now.
No, they work for those assholes?
I think so.
Honestly, I just thought that was a fancy name they gave lifeguards to make them feel special.
Yeah, but the Coast Guard gets to hunt down like pirates and shit.
Yeah.
Like, on like the 5 times a year we have piracy happen.
Yeah, and they're usually like small little like
lifeguard
Zodiac.
is an assault or AR?
What if they just
mean, you
really
can if
don't
you
want
want.
to be resuscitated? Sometimes you gotta go to the extreme. If you don't want to breathe, you gotta make them breathe.
Yep. And hey, you got sharks in the water.
Yeah, exactly. If you're on like that, if you're by like the southern coast, dude, imagine trying to rescue a drowning swimmer, and freaking Jaws is coming up for a Happy Meal, and you gotta bust out the AR with a 50-round drum mag.
Pulls out the Barretts out of the back pocket.
If I ever see a Coast Guard like little like dinky like rib boat with a around like 50 caliber like that,
Have you seen I forgot what it's called.
did they get rid of the Coast Guard because we added the Space Force?
Yeah,
There were too many branches.
The thing is, you can't even go to like Matt and be like, yeah, I'm doing Space Force. Like you literally can't.
Yeah, because
what are you doing in
Yeah.
Space Force? Like,
Space shit. We're gonna fight a team. Fuck them.
I'll sign up
We're
for
gonna
that
nuke
shit.
Mars. They like after about like they actually get the Space Force established. They just make like the Odin platform from Ghosts a thing, and they fill it with nuclear warheads. They just aim it at Mars for no reason. Just nuke the bitch. Just so they can say, yeah, we did something. We won the war against Mars.
We treated
that
Mars like Hiroshima.
That gave me an idea. Instead of riding a tornado, just ride one of the fucking nukes at Mars.
Yeah, we're gonna Doctor Strange love it. Yeah.
Watch, if I ever get deployed, like the president goes like, all right, we need everyone in. They're gonna pluck me from my MOS or water purification, rifle me.
Yeah.
That's what they do. That's what they do.
Yeah, because I should have went
My
Army,
cousin
honestly.
joined the Navy for like some science bullshit. He was put on a boat. He thought that's where he was gonna stay. Next thing you know, he's out in the middle of the desert walking around, getting shot at because he was like, what the fuck? Really?
I wouldn't mind trying to do SWIC though, but you had to do Navy for that. Just going around with a little like Zodiac with like a mounted 20mm machine gun, M61 Vulcan. Or like,
Imagine if they put the gun that's on the A-10 on a boat.
they have.
No, but like a little rib boat.
They have.
How does the recoil not flip that boat?
Oh, on one of those? Oh, I thought you were talking about that.
I actually kind of want to try that
No,
now.
because I've seen like those anti-missile systems where like every like 5th or 10th round's a tracer and you just see like a huge stream of them.
We could be outside in this rain on the kayaks, just
Fucking drowning, yes. That's what I want to do with my Saturday.
I got nothing else going on.
There was. Oh, I guess it's not.
Literally at my house, all my parents said was, "Yeah, we got a few gusts to win." Like, aren't you guys fucking like that?
There's a. They were experimenting with it, but it was like one of those airfoil boats. You know what I'm talking about? I think it's called airfoil. I can't remember. But like when they're going fast, it like rises out of the water in these like little stands.
No, I don't think I've seen this.
Well, it's like weird. Once it picks up speed, it starts to float above the water. That way it can turn harder at faster speeds.
Without
But they-
flipping the boat. and
Yes, they put a
capsizing.
30mm as the main gun, 30mm like minigun.
Yeah.
These were the Japs that did that.
You gotta do it.
Alright, GM.
Yeah.
Where extension cables?
Extension cables. Hold on a second.
These ones off.
They're in like that one light bulb aisle. Hold on.
Hopefully everything's still safe.
Everybody.
Yeah, that's where all the extension cables are, right there.
Cool. Sick.
Yeah.
Trevor does it. He actually take out like everyone who's sitting.